Hey everyone, it's Friday, Freestyle Friday, so you know what that means. I'm going to be dancing to some music. I'm challenging myself to not listen to the song ahead of time, just put the music on and go. One of the best ways to get better at improvising belly dance or any type of dance, I think, is just to put some music on and let your spirit out. Just dance, do something that brings you joy while you're dancing, because that's what dance is all about. It's about expressing that joy from the inside, letting it out, or expressing any emotion from the inside and letting it out. I'm in a beautiful place today, so I decided to dance around a little bit, pick some music, of course, off Epidemic Sound. So comment below where your favorite place is to do some improvisational belly dancing.